Hello everyone, welcome back to Wayken's channel. I'm Vincent. Today I would like to show you the process of machining a part. This is a printer's part made by PC. As we can see, this part is very large. It's about 395 times 140 times 40. To make this part, we have to make 3 clamps in total, and also we have to fill the part with plaster to assist in the process. As for the machining difficulty, except to the long length of the part, some of the structures have very thin walls, which require extra care while machining. Next, let's take a closer look at how the part is machined. Firstly, we will machine side A, as some of the holes are regular and some of the holes are irregular, so it will take a long time to machine. Secondly, due to the limitation of the process, all internal collars will have R angles. Like these structures, as they are relatively closed, the feed rate of the cutter could not be too fast, otherwise the chip evacuation will not be possible. Like this side, as it is a beveled surface. In order to achieve maximum aesthetic effect, we choose to mill at 45 uprising direction, otherwise there will be a clear step pattern. Once all structures have been machined, we will fill the plaster in, then we will place a part in this direction and machine these 2 holes. As side B hasn't been machined yet, so we can use it as a reference surface for positioning. Finally, the part is shaken down, turned over and clamped again. The features on side B will be milled. The part has a lot of assembly structures. For example, the flatness has to be controlled within 0.1. It is a big challenge for machining. Besides that, many of the structures are very small and can only be milled with relatively small cutter, so the machining time will be very long. This is a brief introduction of machining process of this part. If you have any machining question or are interested in CNC machining, please leave your comments below this video. If you have any machining requests, please contact us via below website. This is Vincent. See you next time.